Hi, this is the Keymaster 1053, and I wanted to show a video of an S&G 881 being gutted. I haven't found one of these videos online, so thought this would be a nice one to show. I've already drilled out the roll pin, which goes right here, that holds in that special top retainer. So that's the hard part. Once you drill that out, what I did is I took a small light switch key, like that. I don't know if you can see that. And I just filed down the prongs a little bit so that they'll fit in the little holes inside the disc. You just unscrew it counterclockwise, like that. And that little plug will come out. Sticks a little bit where you drilled it, of course. Little burrs. Get that out of there. Just got two little parts where the roll pin can actuate. So you take that out. Then there's a little spring right inside here. Just pop that out, just so you don't lose it. Set that aside. Then you can take a key, which I made a key out of a drill bit, but just to push the whole pack out. Just like that. Get all the discs off of this. Basically, what you have is two of these. You'll have 3 discs, and they're numbered. And you'll have 3 spacers that go in between the discs. Of course, you gotta help them out, right? And there's also one more of those metal rods still in the padlock. Get the last discs out of here. And the last spacer. And then that's just a little locking dog that turns inside to let the ball bearings pass. There's one of the ball bearings. There's the other metal rod. There. And the last ball bearing. The shackle will come right out. That's the other ball bearing. And what I've noticed is these ball bearings are actually, they're different color, but I think they're also slightly different diameter, because I tried to put it back together one way last night and it wouldn't go. I switched the ball bearings and it went fine. So I think one is slightly larger than the other, and it has to be put back exactly the same way to get the lock back together. So there you have it. All the bodies are the same. You can swap out the shackles, larger shackles, replace a shackle, and just the 3 little discs. This is a 109 lock, and it has the discs 0, 2, and 4. 0 would be for no cut, 2 is a 45-degree cut, and 4 is the 90-degree cut. And those are the only 3 cuts used in these Enviro 881 locks. And that's it. And just thought I'd show you. Thanks.